Welcome to the UniFi Talk Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add a user in UniFi Talk. You'll first want to log in to the UniFi portal. Click on the UniFi Talk icon. Select Assignments from the UniFi Talk dashboard. From here, click on the Users tab. Select the Add Users button. Fill in the new user's first name, last name, and extension. Filling in both your email and phone number are optional. The email option is there if you'd like to receive voicemail email notifications. Click on Add when you're finished. To make changes to an extension, click on the user you'd like to modify. On the right-hand side of the screen, a panel pops up. From here, click on the Settings tab. You can modify the extension's image, name, email, device, number, outgoing number, extension, ring flow, or voicemail settings. If need be, you could also delete the user from here. However, this action cannot be undone, so be cautious when doing so. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a new user in UniFi Talk. Check back for more videos on UniFi Talk as well as other helpful guides.